Let's make a potato and bacon soup. Recipe is in the description box below. Start by slicing and dicing 250 grams of bacon rashers. Peel 2 medium onions. Roughly slice and dice. Peel 1.5 kilos of potatoes. Cut 1 potato in slices, then dice. Set this potato aside for later. Cut the remaining potatoes in bite-sized pieces. In a soup pot on medium heat, add 1 teaspoon of oil. Add the sliced onions. Place the diced bacon in the pot and saute for a minute. Add 1 teaspoon of crushed garlic and stir. Add a 200 gram bacon bone. 1 tablespoon of stock powder of choice. I use chicken. Now add the bite-sized pieces of potato to the pot. Pour enough water to cover the potatoes. Add some pepper and salt. Cover the pot with a lid and simmer until the potatoes are cooked. Remove the lid and the bacon bone. Remove the meat from the bacon bone. Chop the meat and set aside. Using a potato masher, mash the cooked potato and bacon soup. Add the meat from the bacon bone back to the pot and stir. Add the potato that was set aside to the pot and stir. Cook on a low heat for 10 minutes. Enjoy a delicious bowl of potato and bacon soup.